Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I have in my hand the new LinQ Lite device holder. This is designed to hold a tablet or a cell phone. How does it work? How does it function? Where does it go? Anywhere a LinQ Lite accessory hole is located. With that little thumb switch, you can see the LinQ Lite mount turning sideways. I'm going to demonstrate how it works on the Can-Am Defenders. So right here up by the cup holder, you can plug that in, rotate that over, and boom, you've got a device holder there. Very nice. It will hold on magnet. There are many other places that you can install it, including on the Maverick R. We'll touch base on that in another video. Great new product from Can-Am. This is going to be one of those must-have accessories. What's your thoughts? 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We're out here having a blast at BRP Club 2026.